Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I'm gonna show you Navratri 7th day hairstyle. So let's get start into the video. First of all, detangle your hair. Next, I take side partition like so and fix it with a tic-tac pins. Next, comb your rest of hair like so. And now take a side section of hair like so and divide it into 3 equal parts. Make a normal braid. Okay, now take an elastic and secure that the braid. Okay, next coming to another side, do the same procedure. Take a section of hair and divide it into 3 equal parts and make a normal braid. Okay, now comb your rest of hair like so. Okay, now take a section of hair like back side like this. And now take left and right sections, already we braided it, and again make normal 3-strand braid. Right section goes over to the middle, left section goes over to the middle. This is the normal braid, we all know that. Make sure 2 or 3 steps like this, and now take overall hair into back side like so and divide it into 3 equal parts again and make a normal 3-strand braid again. Now the braiding was completed. Now pull out the strands like so and gives nice bounce and thickness of your volume, nice of your braid. Okay, now secure the braid with an elastic. Now take out some random flecks from your ears like so. It gives very beautiful look and frame on your face like so. So this is my Navratri 7th day hairstyle. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you. Take care.